Shannon Phillips, and I am an aesthetics instructor here at Blue Ridge Community College. We've made many upgrades that we feel are going to be a great asset to the students who participate in this program, as well as the community as far as coming in to have services here. We're looking forward to a great year.
Hello, I'm Laura Krugel. I'm the day aesthetic instructor, and my role here is to teach all the students all the curriculum that is necessary to become professionals in the field. I feel that I can offer the students a great deal with my expertise and knowledge, and I love to share it. So I'm looking forward to sharing everything I know with all my students.
And there's continual job market. I have people call me. I had more people call me today again for aesthetics, manicuring. The job market is still there for this area and for this industry as a whole. So that's the promise. There's still work there. There's still work available.